morning and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We would like to recognize, acknowledge the Songhees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada.
And now it's time for Thursday Morning Online. Yay! Hi everybody, Mr. Monkey here again. Coming on Wednesday, February 24th is a really important day called Pink Shirt Day. And I'm going to show a video that will explain all about Pink Shirt Day. But really, it's a day when we remember to be so kind and so nice to everybody. And remember that we take care of each other and we don't be mean. And you're invited to wear a pink shirt with your uniform that day. So, watch the video and you'll understand a little bit more about why. And then on Wednesday, February 24th, wear something pink with your uniform and show that you like to be kind to everybody. Bye!
Yeah, so Pink Shirt Day, the first one was in 2007. A young guy, brand new to our school, CK, so he was a grade 9 student, walked in wearing a pink polo shirt. No different really than any other shirt I've seen, any other pink shirts I've seen. Just, you know, we all sit down that first day of school, we're I'm gonna wear that, and we go. And that's the exact thing he did in the morning. And he walked through the doors, and a group of students seen him wearing pink, and they immediately started calling him gay. Immediately started pushing him around for wearing simply, you know, a pink shirt. Me and David Shepard, the other co-founder of Pink Shirt Day, we heard about this and seen what this student was going through, and we immediately said that we have to do something here. We have to do something for this student. We have to show him that, you know, us being grade 12 students at our high school, we're seniors, we're supposed to be the leaders, we're supposed to show, you know, the younger, we were the Gators, we're supposed to show, you know, the younger Gators, the way our school runs and the way we want it to run. And for this grade 9 student, it was, I don't want to come back to school tomorrow because I'm now the target. So me and DJ, you know, we thought we needed to do something for him, so we went out that night, we bought 75 pink women's tank tops. We bought pink pro wrap for sports stuff, just to make headbands and wristbands. We went on Facebook, and at the time it was MSN Messenger, and we just put it as our status. We, you know, just tried to send it to everybody we could, not to support me and DJ because we weren't the most popular guys, but to support this issue, stand up for this kid who didn't deserve it, show that, you know, we can make a difference for him when we stand up in numbers, kind of thing. And we called school administration. School administration had said if anything happens, if there's any fights, if there's any incidents that we could face expulsion, that all of this would be on us. And DJ just instantly, before, didn't even hesitate. DJ said, "We're still doing it." And that was DJ. He was just fists up. Let's just go into this thing. I wasn't worried about being expelled. It probably would have been a great vacation outside of the bullying. So it was just kind of something to me that I thought, this will be the best fight I'm ever going to fight in, if it's going to happen. And this young kid I just seen as being me. Being bullied for the clothes he wore. I was bullied for the money we didn't have as a family. The way I was in sports, whatever. I just seen this kid as being me, so I really wanted to make that difference for them. We were of a school of about 1,000 kids. We showed up the next day. Probably about 700 to 850 kids showed up wearing pink. It was incredible. It just kind of showed the spread of bullying, that there was a lot of people in our school that was being bullied and picked on, that everybody had kind of experienced this in one way or another, directly or indirectly. And it was just really powerful. It was really powerful to see the student walk through the doors the next day not wearing a pink shirt because he didn't want to be picked on 2 days in a row for wearing a pink shirt, and he didn't know what the response was going to be. He knew we were doing this. We saved him a pink shirt to give him once he got to school, so that he could continue to be part of this, because this started because of him. It was just incredible to see how a group of students, a group of young people, could kind of band together, all issues aside, to support this student, to support this new Gator. It was, you could just see when he walked through the doors, the weight that was lifted off his shoulder, to know that he wasn't going to continue to be the bullied kid in school, that he was going to be, just another kid at school, another student. He was going to be able to live his life.
Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
We're Library Squad. Did you know there's a special day coming up? Is it Valentine's Day? No. Is it Easter? No. It's on Wednesday, February 17th. Ainsley's birthday! No. It's Irish Canadian Day! It's Irish Canadian Day! And guess what? You're involved. On this day, we're going to see how many Canadian books GNS Speech Drive students can read. Each class will get an amazing tub of Canadian books to share and read for that day. And wear something red and white with your uniform. We look forward to seeing you all read Canadian. Thanks from Library Squad! P.S. Teachers, feel free to take photos of your students reading Canadian and send them to Miss McLeod. Bye!
Hi, Grace.
Hi.
It's Mr. Monkey here, and I'm so glad to talk to you. My grandma got an email from you on the weekend, and she said that you have something important you want to do about Fireman's Park. Can you tell me what it is?
I think it's important that we change the name to Firefighters Park, because if a girl hears that the name of Fireman's Park, she might lose her dream of becoming a firefighter when she grows up. Or if a girl is already a firefighter, she might quit it and feel sad, and she won't want to be a firefighter anymore.
Oh, that would be terrible, because we know that girls can be firefighters just as much as boys can, don't we? So what are you going to do about it, Grace?
Well, I'm thinking of making a card and speaking on Friday Morning Live and putting other people's names on it, and then we could send it to the mayor, and he can send this message to people he knows, and then those people can send the message to other people, and then everyone will know that girls can be firefighters too, and we'll call it Firefighters Park.
Wow, that's a great idea. I'm very excited. Well, you're all ready now on Friday Morning Live because you're with me. So that's exciting. And you're going to make a card, and then if you make a big card, maybe we can get students who are interested in this to help sign it. What do you think?
Good.
Okay. You know what? I love it when kids take action. And this is great action. So thanks, Grace. Can I have a little hug?
Mm-hmm.
Well, there we go. Oh, mwah. Okay. Well, thank you. And let's see. You make the card and you bring it in to my grandma. and we will circulate it. I love kids taking action. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.